Hi everyone, we're here at Webb Lake.
Yeah.
We're enjoying the nature
Yeah.
and the summer.
And the fishing. And it is fishing opener last weekend, but we're a week late. But anyways, I think, is this Mother's Day weekend opener in Minnesota? I believe it is.
I do not know, but
That's how it is.
we're gonna show you around the Webb Lake here.
Ta-da, ta-da.
It's so pretty. We've been fishing. We only catch one, but that was a big fish. So thank God for the fish. Thanks for the blessing, Lord.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty view, huh?
Yep.
Mother Nature. There's my bubble up, of course.
What does guapo mean?
You.
Oh, handsome.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I like that name. What does tambok mean?
Tambok?
Yeah, why do you always say tambok guapo?
I did not say tambok to you.
Oh, I see. I put words in your mouth.
No.
Tease me.